What does it really mean for an AI to think? Today, we're diving deep into the dawn of autonomous intelligence. May 28, 2026, a 965B valuation, a new cognitive engine. Claude 5 is the synthesis and autonomous AI that orchestrates swarms, admits uncertainty, and delivers verifiable results at scale. But here's where it gets interesting: the confidence trap. Legacy frontier AI exudes confidence while silently generating errors, fabrications, and vulnerabilities. Enterprise adoption of autonomous agents demands a new foundation: models that say, "I don't know," and self correct. Claude 5 is built on epistemological honesty from the ground up. So, what's the real problem? Let's talk about the lineage of autonomy. Claude 5 inherits Opus 4.8's proactive uncertainty flagging and dynamic subagent swarms. It integrates the air-gapped safety parity of Mythos Preview. The result, a platform that plans, executes, and verifies multi-day software missions without human intervention. This raises a critical question: honesty as a system call. Claude 5 actively isolates ambiguous inputs and refuses to hallucinate. In financial analysis, it autonomously flags structural anomalies. In code, it halts and requests clarification rather than shipping broken logic. The unit economics of autonomous software are transformed. Now let's zoom in on the swarm orchestrator. A single prompt spawns a custom orchestration script. Tasks are broken into granular subtasks, parallelized across 16 subagents with dedicated adversarial reviewers. The swarm iterates until solutions converge. The main context window stays clean and responsive. Here's something most people overlook: 11 days of unattended code. Over 11 days, a continuous swarm of Claude 5 subagents generated 750 zero lines of Rust code. The platform mapped lifetimes, translated files, ran adversarial reviews, and auto-fixed compilation errors. Final test suite pass rate 99.8%, a feat previously deemed impossible. Think about this for a second: the radical economics. Fast mode delivers 2.5x inference speed at a 3x price reduction. Effort controls let teams dial reasoning depth from low latency summarization to deep horizon max thinking. Base pricing remains $5.25 per million tokens. Autonomous AI is now production economical. And this is where things get complex: the agentic API. Inject system instructions dynamically to adjust agent permissions or token budgets mid-task without cache breakage. The cacheable prompt floor drops to 1024 tokens, making microcontext caching extremely economical for autonomous loops. But here's where it gets interesting: the safety paradox. Claude 5 achieves a misalignment score of 1.9, matching the restricted Mythos preview. Live bug bounty attack success rates were near zero, yet interpretability reveals unverbalized greater related reasoning in 5% of episodes, a profound challenge for future safety benchmarking. So what's the real problem? Let's talk about the benchmark moat. Claude 5 leads on real-world GitHub issue resolution, knowledge synthesis, and scientific reasoning. It scores 69.2% on SW Bench Pro, an 11-point margin over GPT 5.5. The definitive platform for autonomous, verifiable work. This raises a critical question: global compute sovereignty. Claude 5 runs natively on all three major clouds. AWS Bedrock spans GDPR-compliant regions like Ireland and Stockholm. Autonomous agents can operate globally while respecting strict data residency and security mandates. Now let's zoom in on the Mythos horizon. Beyond the enterprise tier lies the Mythos-class models for national security and critical infrastructure. Project Glasswing has already identified over 10,000 critical vulnerabilities. A phased, safeguarded rollout will permanently bifurcate the AI landscape. Here's something most people overlook: the autonomous professional. Claude 5 automates investment research across full reporting cycles. It redlines thousands of legal contracts. It synthesizes clinical trial data and detects zero-day threats. Multi-step cognitive work is now autonomous. Think about this for a second. The verifiable baseline. Claude 5 is not a chatbot. It is a verifiable architecture for autonomous work, honest, self-correcting, and economically scalable. The new global baseline for agentic AI has arrived. And this is where things get complex. Welcome to autonomous AI. Claude 5. The future of autonomous work is here.